Ito na guys, dinala ko na dito sa kitchen. So, bubuksan na natin siya ngayon. Actually, ang mumura lang nila guys. Mashallah. This one, I got this for 25 riyals.
Hi guys! Welcome to the video! Please subscribe! Thank you!
So, andito na guys yung ating delivery from IKEA. Ang laki ng box. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki. And it's light. Kasi nga, apriljoylodhi talaga. Hindi Lodi. Lodi naman yung nilagay ko ah. So anyway, this is our box from IKEA delivery. And we are going to do the unboxing of this. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Khadija, and for today's vlog guys is we are going to do the unboxing of the IKEA box that I received today. So yes po, na-receive ko na yung aking IKEA box, yung in-order ko online sa IKEA here in Qatar guys. So I'm gonna show you the box. It just arrived. My husband received it because I was busy with Isa earlier. So andito na siya, ayan. And I'm so excited! Ito na guys, dinala ko na dito sa kitchen. So, bubuksan na natin siya ngayon. Oh my God. Siya daw malaki ang box. Our box is so big. That's perfect. So, ayan. Ganyan lang naman kaliit. Ganyan lang naman karami yung laman ng malaking box na yan. Diba? Social. Anyway, that's really good because then, sabi ng asawa ko, we are planning to move out of this house. But you know, I really like this house already, but he's planning to move out of this house so we can use this box for moving out. So first is ito guys. Ayan. This is like a draining rack, and at the same time, you know, whenever you want to wash your vegetables, you peel them, then it's easy to move around in the kitchen. It's just gonna be like that. So it's really easy. Yeah, so when you peel the potatoes, the cucumber, the carrots, then you know it's easy. Ayan siya. So this is a very good quality. This is from IKEA. Magandang quality niya. So we have that. Okay. Another thing that we have, this one guys. So I ordered this again. Actually this is really useful. Pwede ko siyang lagay ng mga natitira namin pagkain. I can put our leftover food in this. And at the same time, I can use this for organizing our spices, sugar, milk, coffee, stuff like that. So it's much more easier for us to use this. For me, like I like to use things like this because we don't have that much big space to display everything. So that's why even if we use this kind of thing, it's okay because it's just gonna stay inside the cabinet anyway. Yeah, so another thing that I bought is this one. Ito, tatlo. Yeah. So I'm gonna use this to organize the fruits inside our refrigerator, guys. Kasi masyadong magulong ang refrigerator namin. Ayun doon sa baba. Yun, yung mga fruits na yun, I want them to be organized. That is why I bought these boxes here. So it's just gonna be like gaganyan siya. I'm gonna show you. So another thing that I ordered is this one. This is actually a rail for hanging these ones here at saka yung mga lutuan. Yeah, the cooking pans. I'm gonna be installing it here guys. I'm gonna show you, don't worry. So i-install ko siya dyan. Ayan. And yeah, we have that. And I also bought this one here. Yes, so this is going to be hanged along with it. It's going to be hanged along with it on this rail. Rail siya eh, sabitan. And I also bought the hooks. Ito yung hooks niya guys. It's heavy duty. It's a really nice quality from IKEA. It's whole tarp. Yeah, so this is actually the rail color is black. That's why I took also this black hooks for that. And I also have another hooks over here, which I'm also gonna be hanging in case I need extra. And ano pa ba? I have this. Okay, this one is just a shower curtain for our toilet. I bought another one because I have a plan for that. I'm gonna show you as well. And I bought this here. This is a dish racks. It's really nice. There. So this is where this is gonna go, and some sponge in it, and some parang drying rack siya. I'm gonna show you that whole work. It's gonna be like that over there. Next that I have is this one here. Yes, I really bought this. Okay, because then Musa can use this whenever he brushes his teeth, because our mirror is too high for him. So I bought this one for him, and also it's for me so that I can reach easily whatever I want to take up there. Because without this, it's difficult for me to reach the things that I have here on the top. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kataas. But if I'm going to stand here, you see how easy it is for me to grab whatever I want. Yeah, so this tool here is very useful. It's very useful, guys, for me and for Musa. It's good because it's big, okay, and it's wide, and it's durable. So these are the things that I bought from IKEA, and I'm gonna show you once I set up everything, inshallah. So anyway, guys, baka mamayang gabi, wala kasi akong wala akong screwdriver, so I don't have screwdriver at the moment. So then I can only fix them later. Maybe tonight we are going out, so I'm gonna ask my husband to pass by for a screwdriver so that we can fix this all up, we can set it up, inshallah, and I can show you. And yeah, I'm so happy that I finally received this. Actually, I just ordered it yesterday in the night at around, I think, 8 o'clock in the night. I ordered them, and they delivered it today. So that's a good thing. Like, it's a next day delivery. It's really fast, right? So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's all for this vlog. I hope you like this video and it gives you some ideas for your kitchen too, diba? You want your kitchen to be organized. You can also buy stuff like this so you can organize your kitchen well. You can make it more beautiful, you know? Anyway, guys, that's all for this vlog. I hope you like this video, and if you're new to my channel, I just want to invite you to please do not forget to subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I post new videos. So once again, this is Khadija, and now we are in Qatar. I made a lot of vlogs in Pakistan. I hope you watched that as well, and now we are vlogging in Qatar, guys. I am taking you with me here in Qatar, guys. I'm gonna be vlogging a lot. You will see a lot of vlogs, but it's just gonna be a little bit late, as I always say, because I have a lot of pendings and stuff like that. I don't want to repeat it again and again, but yeah, I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye! Balik muna natin siya, guys, para wala munang magulo sa kitchen. Actually, ang mumura lang nila, guys, mashallah. This one, I got this for 25 riyals. And little rail, this 80 centimeters, and it's good quality. I got it for 20 riyals. This one's here, the hooks, I got it for 9 riyals. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hooks. This is 9 riyals. And this one here, this is a lot. This is around, magkano ba? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 17 pieces. Okay, 17 pieces of boxes, food container boxes, for a price of 17 riyals only. And this one here, I got this for 9 riyal. This tool here, I got it for 19 riyal. Yeah, and this one here, I think I got it for like 9 riyal as well. Yeah, it's 9 riyal, but it's really good quality. This is the good thing about IKEA. And of course, the shower curtain is for 7 riyals. Nice, right? Now we're gonna use this because I'm going to peel some potatoes. So, diba? So, the peel remains up. You just wash it. The good thing is, hindi nahuhulog yung peel dun sa baba. It stays clean over there. Okay, and then when you're done, when this are all cleaned up, you can just throw this potato peels in the garbage. Diba? So, it's useful. And of course, whenever you want to wash, when everything here is crowded, you can use this as a drying rack for your spoons or whatever you want to dry up. This one's here, just clean this properly and then you can put everything that you want to dry up in here before putting them inside the cabinet here. Kagaya nito guys, ginawa ko siyang patuyuan. So, ito na yung 3 white boxes na binili ko, guys. Ginawa ko siyang organizer ng fruits at saka yung tomatoes namin. Mas prefer kong i-organize ng ganyan yung mga fruits namin para mas mabilis siya makita. Kasi pag nakatago siya, pag nakalagay siya dun sa loob, hindi siya nakakain agad. So, nabubulok lang. Tapos yung tomatoes namin, lagi kasing ginagamit kaya nilagay ko lang talaga siya dyan. Tsaka yung other vegetables naman namin dito lang sa loob ng drawer. Ayan na guys, na-drill ko na siya, pero hindi ko siya dinrill sa wall. I just drilled it sa baba ng aming cabinet. Kasi nga dito sa Qatar, nililimit nila yung mag-drill ka sa walls. Dahil pagka umalis ka, pababayaran nila sa'yo yung tiles na nasira dahil binutasan mo. Kaya dito sa bahay, sa Qatar, hanggat maaari, hindi kami nagdidrill ng walls guys. So, kaya yan lang, dyan lang sa cabinets namin. Matibay naman siya. Matibay naman. Ngayon, ilalagay ko na yung mga ilalagay ko dyan. So, ito. Lagay ko siya dyan para mas mabilis siyang... Tapos yung punasan ng kamay. Tapos itong parang pot. Nalalagyan ko siya ng aking mga gunting at saka pang garlic presser. Mas mabilis. Kasi gusto ko isabit yung aking mga ito kasi mas I always use them so I want them to be accessible. I can easily access. Ayan. Tapos yung aming maliliit na pots for boiling eggs and making noodles. Ayan na siya guys. Yan yung mga gusto kong ilagay dyan. Kaya binilhan ko talaga siya ng rail. Kasi yan yung mga gamit na lagi kong ginagamit. Kaya gusto ko yung easy access lang. Tapos ito naman yung utensils rack. I'm just drying them there and then later ilalagay ko rin sila dito sa loob ng aming cabinet pagka dry na.